Hello, Caroline from Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing some stretches for our hips. If your hips are tight, a lot of the time people don't necessarily get their hips when they're stretching. So I know for me, I try to do these stretches a few times a week just to make sure I'm getting those hips stretched out. So we're going to start with bridge raises. So we're just going to do 10 of these. Good. All right, next we're gonna be on our back. We're gonna do happy baby. So you hold your feet and kind of roll around a little bit. I'm just gonna hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds. You should really feel this one in your hips. All right. Next, we're going to do each knee to our chest, so pulling it up. So hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then we'll switch. Good. All right. So then we're going to put our feet together and recline back. Hold this for 10 to 15 seconds. Good. And you'll come up and we'll go into a butterfly. Same thing that we just did, but we're upright. You want to try to push your legs down to the floor. Good. And the last one is a seated hip stretch. So you cross one leg over and you bend forward. We'll hold each side for about 10 seconds. Good. All right. So that was one time through. If you want to do this 2 to 3 more times, just making sure you're really stretching out those hip flexors. That is totally up to you. If you're just starting, going through it once will even help. So thank you for joining us. Have a good one.